Hello guys, welcome to another video. Is your car losing coolant but does not leave a stain on the ground, does not go anywhere that you can see on the outside? Today we are testing if the coolant is going to the inside of the engine. Here we have it. This is my Alfa 75 1.6 gasoline engine, the Bialbero engine or North engine. As you may know, this car has some problems with oil consumption and with antifreeze consumption as well. But now that is not very important for this video, because what I'm trying to show you here will do for many makes, cars, models, engines, whatever you may have that is combustion engine with the antifreeze. These principles of searching for the malfunction can work on your engine. So here I tried to disassemble some parts to be able to look through the intake manifold and through the top of the pistons to see and pressurize here my coolant reservoir, pressurize it to see if I can see any drips of coolant going to the inside of the engine. That is the main goal for this video today. So as you may know, on this engine, I tried to repair this intake manifold on the head side. It was very pitted, and I'm certainly sure that the problem I'm hoping the problem it is over there, the gasket. It is an original gasket that I put in between the manifold and the head itself, and I'm hoping when pressurizing I can see some drips going into the intake. So if you remember, this is a similar intake manifold that I have on my Bialbero. This one I don't really know for which engine it is. I bought it because of the injectors. I think it is for the twin spark, but I don't have absolutely sure. On my Bialbero engine, it has a chamber over here on top that houses antifreeze. Okay, if that antifreeze can escape through the passages to the intake. That is my guessing here. So I have a special camera that I borrowed from my friend, and let's see if you can see something happening. So what you need now is a tool, okay? A tool to pressurize your reservoir here. I don't have the tool. The tool was very expensive for my wallet, above 100 euros. I know the tool brings a lot of parts and special pieces to pressurize all cars or models, but I don't need that. I just need a Fiat type threading over here. So I built a tool. This tool is not really difficult to do, and I thought maybe this is not just my problem with getting tools. Sometimes to buy tools is very expensive just for one time, two times, and that they are really very expensive if they are good quality. So I thought I can make a tool that is very cheap to make, and I can show you how it's done. Basically, you have to have that type of cap that has the top overflow of the coolant. When your valve over there opens, the coolant goes through that pipe. And the caps that don't have that pipe over there, the coolant goes for all four sides on the inside of this style of caps. So if you encounter this type of caps with four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, do not do this. This was a failed attempt to do the tool. This tool will not work because as I pressurize over here, the pressure comes out of those four holes. So you really need this type of cap. On the Alfa 166, 164, and some other brands of the Fiat group, you have that cap. It is very easy to find. So let's see here if I can see anything. I was hoping to have a bit more light. Apparently not. Sorry about the reflection, but this is really the best I can do with what I have. So a lot of oil, okay, because of the blow-by. This is cylinder number 1. Let's check out number 2. Giggity. Really cannot see anything at all. A lot of oil. Trying to do a 360 here on the walls, but No, not happening. Sorry, this is not how I imagine it. I think it's better to do with a mirror and a good light than to do it like this. Let's see on number 3. Again, lots of oil, but no evidence of antifreeze. On number 4, I think we can really see something, because on number 4, it was the initial problem was here near the number 4. So I hope I can see even worse. My God. You see, with no exit light, nothing. Cannot see anything. Okay. So let's go to the cylinders itself. I'm hoping to have a bit more luck on the cylinders. So let's go to the number 1. Again, this is the hole for the, oh my God, the spark plug. A lot of oil, but I don't have enough definition to see if it has antifreeze. Number 2, you see the valve over here. This is normal for this engine to see the valve. Actually, it's good to see the valve seat. It's a bit pitted over there. Okay, see if I can pass it. Yes, I can. Again, a lot of oil. Strange, just half of it. Now on the number 3, apparently this is the one that really burns a lot of oil. This is very, very difficult to show you. Even myself over here cannot see squat. Number 4. Uh-oh. What is that? There is something over there. It's my reflection, I think. Well, that's something. In here too. So if I follow the path of the coolant to the ground, you can see over there dripping and dripping and dripping. Imagine this for miles and miles. Okay, so now I know I have a problem with the hose or with my reservoir. I hope it's just the hose. Cut it a bit and see if it fixes. Now my second problem appears to be here on the water pump. I have a new water pump, a new hose over here, and the new one over here, I believe, if I remember correctly. And this one is old. So I try to do the same trick, to cut a bit and to insert it again and see if it's solved. If it is just it, I'm really glad, because man, I really want to finish or to start my Alfa 33, and with this I cannot drive my Alfa 75. The oil management, the oil consumption I can manage, but the antifreeze, I'm afraid to blow up the engine and the oil as well. But now the oil is less worrying. Now let's see if I can do this, and I catch you on the next video. I try to fix the hoses over there, and on the next video I have a new tip here for you for the cylinders, to how to regain compression on your engine. I know the solution may not be what I will present on the next video, but at least I tried, and on some cars, some models, that method, it works very, very well. I see you next time, guys. Bye.